I feel like your wife is. She's cutting my hours on purpose.
The Peter they should get the night shift. That's why I give Peter the night shift.
I need more days to work. Or make I make money. If she keep on, I give Peter all my hours them. You need to talk to her about it. That woman don't like me, no?
I told her already she's jealous of you. When I was there, she's jealous of you. Look how you're beautiful. Of course you're not going to work anymore. But she can't fire you. She can't fire you. On my business, on the fair one.
Every time she come into the store, she act like say me I steal something. Why would I steal from a job? Like, me really get tired of your wife. You can't make she stop come there. Like, why she have to come there? It's not like she working there with you. It's your pharmacy, it's not fair one.
Don't worry about it, babes. She'll go for her for 2 months to visit her mother. She's not been there on them. We're not for about them. And before she leave me, we'll sit only for that about rules.